Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Mama Lisa is in the kitchen making some goodies for 4th of July. Easy, delicious key lime pie. Foolproof recipe. I'm going to show y'all how to put it together. It's in the Granny's Farm to Table cookbook, and it was given to me by my dear friend Peggy. Delicious. You're going to put your oven to 350 degrees, and it's going to bake for 15 minutes. Okay, so easy. Okay, let me grab a mixing bowl, which I thought I already had out. Okay, you're going to need a ready-made Graham pie crust, and this is one of those desserts that's light and refreshing. Like, seriously, great for a cookout, great for a get-together. It just needs to stay cool, okay? I'm gonna measure out 1/2 cup of key lime juice, and you can do lemon as well. It's the exact same recipe, just use your lemon juice instead of the key lime. It calls for the zest of 1 lemon, 1 lime. You would do lemon if you were doing lemon, of course. You know what, I'm gonna do that last. 2 eggs. Let me see if I can tap these suckers hard enough to just go with it. Let me put them in first. Checking for shells there. This is one of those foolproof recipes that I find to always be foolproof and always delicious. Key lime pie is one of my oldest son, aka favorite son's, favorite desserts. Okay, I'm gonna put my lime juice in. You're gonna need some Coolant for the top as well after this comes out of the oven. I'm gonna open up 1 can of Eagle Brand or sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces, okay? I can get it to work. That's the keeping it real side of watching this cooking vlog. There we go. This is a Pampered Chef can opener. I love it. And a viewer sent it to me. But I'm old school, so these new little gadgety type things, I love them when I learn how to use them. But I've been cooking old school for so long, it's hard to adjust. Hard to teach an old dog new tricks. Okay, 1 can of Eagle Brand, 12 ounces. You want to scrape that, all that goodness in there, okay? Let me just use that as a way to there we go. Okay, now let me get this mixed up. So 2 eggs, 1 12-ounce can of Eagle Brand, 1/2 cup key lime juice, or lemon if you would rather have lemon. Or you can do one of each. Great, great recipe for a picnic. Okay, I'm gonna zest. I have 1 lime, just 1. It calls for a tablespoon of lime zest. I'm gonna give it all I got. And then I'm gonna bake this on 350 for 15 minutes in my oven. Again, everybody's oven is gauged a little different. So when this pie's done, it won't wiggle and jiggle when you put your hot pad in there to get it out. Oh, I don't want to drop that. Okay. And we're not going anywhere for the 4th, but this will be a nice little pie to have around the house. Now, after it bakes, you want to cover it with a 8 to 12 ounce thing of Cool Whip. Well, you don't have to. That's up to you, but that's how I do it. Or you can put a dollop as you serve the pie. Totally up to you. Let me get all of that goodness out of there. Smells wonderful. I will post a picture of this pie on Instagram, which will also post a Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real Facebook page, and then y'all can see the finished product when it comes out. Peg's key lime pie going in the oven. Happy 4th of July. See ya.